Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review, please note that the link to purchase the KEDIERS PC case ATX with a special discount is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. Today, we're taking a closer look at the KEDIERS H3 mid-tower gaming PC case, a stylish and functional chassis designed for gamers and PC builders who want both aesthetics and performance. Right out of the box, the KEDIERS H3 impresses with its unique printed walnut wood panels that give it a sophisticated, natural look without using real wood, making it an eco-friendly choice. The tempered glass side panel not only adds to the visual appeal, but also opens easily for quick access to your components, which is a huge plus for anyone who frequently upgrades or maintains their system. Cooling is a major highlight here. The case comes pre-installed with 3 fans, 2 large 140mm intake fans at the front, and a 120mm exhaust fan at the rear, providing excellent airflow right from the start. Plus, the case supports up to 9 120mm fans and can accommodate a 360mm radiator, making it a solid option for custom water cooling setups. In terms of compatibility, this mid-tower supports a wide range of motherboard sizes including ATX, micro ATX, and mini IDX. It also offers generous clearance for CPU coolers up to 190mm in height and GPUs up to 360mm in length, which covers most modern high-end components. Storage options are versatile with dedicated brackets for both HDDs and SSDs, and there are plenty of expansion slots, 7+3, to support multiple add-on cards. The front I/O panel is well equipped with 1 USB 3.0 port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, HD audio jacks, and convenient buttons for power, reset, and LED control, making it user-friendly for everyday use and gaming sessions. Now, for the pros. The wood grain design stands out in a sea of generic black cases. The airflow setup is excellent right out of the box, and the case's spacious interior supports a wide range of components and cooling options. The tempered glass panel that opens easily is also a thoughtful feature for maintenance. On the downside, while the printed wood panel looks great, it may not appeal to everyone's taste, especially if you prefer a more traditional all-black or RGB-heavy aesthetic. Additionally, although the case supports a lot of fans and radiators, cable management options could be more robust to help keep the interior tidy. Overall, the KEDIERS H3 PC case is a fantastic choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking for a mid-tower that combines style, cooling efficiency, and expandability. Don't forget, the link to grab this case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out before you go.